Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable auto spell check on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the languages and input and tap here on your screen keyboard. I'm using the Gboard, so I'll tap there, and now just go to the text correction options, and so just scroll down with the finger to the spelling and grammar section, and here you will see the spell check switcher. And just to enable the auto spell check, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. And if you wanna just turn on this option, tap here again on the switcher, and that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.